Assalamu alaikum grade 2. I'm your English teacher from Allied School. Today I'm going to start my 8th lecture. Students, open your book at page number 18, Unit 3, Cooking It Up. Unit 3, Lesson 1, Listen and Speak. Listen to your teacher and circle the correct word. In this lesson, you will learn about cooking and food magic, a little concept, how much and how many. Hilda is a witch, fairy or giant? Witch. She lives in a house, flat or castle. Circle the word castle. This is a story. We are completing this story by circling the correct words. She is wearing a tall, black, green or red hat. Black hat. There are stars on her hat. She has a long nose. Her hair is short. She can do magic spells with her wand. She is cooking a stew in her pot. This is Hilda, the witch. It's her wand and she is cooking stew. A spider is fell into her stew. A frog is coming out of her stew and she lives in a castle. In exercise B, with your friend ask and answer questions about the witch. Example is, where does the witch live? She lives in a castle. What is she cooking? She is cooking stew. What is she putting in her stew? A spider. What is jumping out of stew? A frog. Is she happy or sad? She is happy. Is the frog sleepy or frightened? Frightened. These are the answers of these questions. Students, learn these question answers. Now on next one, what does it taste like? Ask a friend about the food in the picture and use these words to answer. Sour, sweet and salty. How does a cake taste? It tastes sweet. How does a chip taste? It tastes salty. How does an ice cream taste? It tastes sweet. How does a lime taste? It tastes sour. Grade 2, now open your English grammar book at page number 19. Lesson 6, prepositions. Today we will read about the prepositions. Prepositions are the words which tell us something, where something is. The cake is on the table. In this sentence, the cake is on the table. On in the preposition. The ball is in the dog's mouth. In is the preposition. It was a holiday. All the children of the Smith family decided to spend the day with their grandmother. Lazy James is sleeping on the sofa. On is preposition here. Diana and Joe are playing football in the garden. In is the preposition. Rose is jumping over the bushes. Over is preposition. Cat is hiding behind the door. Behind is preposition. Little Pussy is running after a mouse. After is preposition. Lisa and Sandy are sitting under a tree playing chess. Under is the preposition here. Lobo is sitting near the gate. Near is the preposition. All the words that are written in red are prepositions. Copy the sentences in your notebook. Use the preposition from the list to complete the sentences. In, on, over, under and up. The boy is climbing dash the tree, up the tree. The toy is on the bed. The cat is jumping over the chair. The baby is sleeping in the cradle. The books are lying on the table. Students, now open page number 20 of your English grammar book. Look at the prepositions given below. In, over, on, outside, up, out, down, inside, under, near, far and off. Now write the pairs of prepositions which are opposites. One example has been done for you. In, its opposite is out. Search from here. Outside, inside, on, off, near, far, up, down, out, in. Now in extended exercise, fill in the blanks with prepositions from the list given below. You may use a particular preposition more than once. Last Sunday, we all went to the nearby lake. It was a cold day. We could see clouds over the sky. Mother Duck, along with her 3 ducklings, was swimming in the lake. Colorful fish came over from under the surface of water and popped their heads into the water to eat the breadcrumbs that we gave them. Suddenly, a green frog leaped above the rock lying nearby and dived into the water.